What's going on, guys? JSGC Vlogs here, and we're here for another video. Today we're going to be doing my room review tour of the Ibis Budget Hotel in Leipzig in Germany. So let's crack on with it. God, get room 104. And in we come. Pretty decent sized room. Got 2 twin beds just there. As you come in, I've got a desk over here, which is where I was just doing my filming from, which I like this little feature. You've got a little desk lamp just there with a couple of plug sockets. Got a plug socket by the side of the bed there. Coat hangers and a couple of shelves. And if I just come into this corner, I'll give you a size of the room. You have a window here which just locks shut with the blind. So I can just pull that out, let it roll up, and that's open, and there's our view into Leipzig centre. Not bad. Window does pull open as well if you want to open the window, and it just pulls out and locks shuts there if you want to let some fresh air in. We stayed here for the football, which is an event night, so as people are coming and returning back to Leipzig, it can get quite loud. So if it is a warm day and you want the window open because there isn't much in terms of air conditioning, it can be quite noisy. Thankfully, weather not too bad whilst we're here, anywhere between 10 and 18 degrees in Celsius. I'm not sure I'd like to stay in this room if it was a really hot day, like north of the 80 degrees, so 26 degrees Celsius plus. Thankfully, it hasn't been the case. And I do think this room is rather suitable for an event day where you're just staying here for a day. It's pretty much a budget, no frills hotel. You've got your sink just there. Comes with some hair body and hand wash to use with a sink and a couple of cups, a bin and a shelf, another plug socket and lights, switches there. Just open it up, you've got a shower with a door, and there's our shower with some more hair, body and hand wash, and a decent shower, to be fair, decent sized shower. You get some privacy. This is a twin room here at the Ibis Budget Hotel. We have me just there, and there is a full length mirror. I like a full length mirror. I do want to note that there is no plug socket down this side of the bed, so if I wanted to charge my phone overnight, I've had to use that plug socket there. Everything's controlled by the card key just here. You do have a thermostat just here, and you do have a lock on the door as well, along with, if you're wanting, it is a smoke-free room. If you're wanting to put your sleep in, you don't want it to be disturbed, you can put that on the door as well. The only other thing to show you guys is you do have a bathroom with its own separate water cupboard door just here, which if you just open it up, a small compact toilet just there. One thing other to note, you do have access to some piping just above your room, which I've not really seen in any hotels before other than here. And I have heard some people say they've been a bit concerned about the toilet size. I do want to confirm in Ibis Budget that it is very much just that, a budget hotel that's good for one night stay in my opinion. Shower was good, facilities were good. Nothing wrong with the toilet or its size, and in my opinion, thumbs up from me. And it's cheap, which is the appeal. So there we go, that has been the video. Thank you guys for watching, much appreciated. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll have some more videos coming up for you guys very soon. So I've been JSGC Vlogs. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope everyone is safe and well. Peace. Ciao for now.